If you're a renter, did you know that you can claim €500 back? In Fianna Fáil, we're keen to ease the cost of living pressures for renters, and the rent tax credit is just one of the ways that we're doing this. So here's an easy step-by-step guide on how to claim it. Before you start, you'll need your PPS number and the RTB registration number assigned to the tenancy. Then go to revenue.ie and sign into My Account. Under PAYE services, go to Review Your Tax 2019 to 2022 and select 2022. Select Request under the Statement of Liability section, scroll down to complete your income tax return, and then click on Rent Tax Credit. You'll need to work through the steps of the claim process. So here you'll enter your PPS number and the RTB registration number. You'll also be asked about the duration of your tenancy and to provide more details relating to the landlord or the property agent. Finally, you'll be asked to provide details of the person rental payments are made to, together with the amount paid. And that's it. Once you have all of the information you'll need in advance, the process then is pretty straightforward. We know the pressure that renters are experiencing, but we are committed to easing that burden through a series of cost of living measures announced as part of Budget 2023.